I'm Doug with Countryside. Today I'm going to talk to you about what's taking place a lot of times in the spring of the year. As you can see, this tank is, needless to say, tipped, and it's in pretty dirty condition. If you have a tank that's, needless to say, looking like this, you need to give us a call so we can get out there and we can take care of it. We can re-level the tank and we can send a crew out, needless to say, to wash it up and get it taken care of. This happens a lot, and that stuff in the spring of the year, depending on what kind of soil conditions you have. Needless to say, with the freezing and thawing and such, needless to say, the tanks will tip. One side might settle more than the other. It's kind of crazy how that happens. But then also the other thing that happens is that you can have some little critters or rodents that'll work on one end or the other and that stuff and disturb the soil, and then things will settle and cause tanks to tip. This is not something that we want out there in the field, needless to say, not only aesthetically, but it also affects, needless to say, the way your gauge reads. This one right now is currently reading right around 60%. But depending on which way the float is sitting, needless to say, it can throw off how much fuel that you have in your tank. So I've had them already where it was up to about 15 to 20%, the difference in it, which meant whether they had gas or not in the tank. So needless to say, we don't want that to happen. And we also don't want any tanks to tip over. So if you got anything that is tipping and that stuff, definitely give us a call. Let us know so we can get out there and get it taken care of. So with that being said, a lot of things taking place in that stuff spring of the year, but we have plenty of time. We set these as a priority in order to make sure that we get these taken care of, to make sure that there's no problems. So with that, thanks for watching. I'm Doug with Countryside.